This video will show you how to change the dye film in your Magicard 600 printer. Press the button on top of the printer to release its lid and reveal the used dye film. Remove the spools and set aside. Discard responsibly. Remove the tacky roller. Take out the inner rod and insert it into a replacement. With the arrows facing downwards, put the new tacky roller into place. Remove the protective cover by pulling gently on the yellow strip. Take your new dye film and slot both spools into place as shown. Make sure the blue spool is towards the back of the roller and the white towards the front, and the film is running across the top of both spools. Now close the lid until it clicks. The screen will say Initializing. Once the main menu appears, you can continue printing with your Magicard 600.